We don't do this to put any money in our pocket. In fact, I personally paid $20,000 to have this event for you guys. And I don't want anything back. I want to give all of the money away to help those who need it. So, before I cry anymore, here's something.
I just want to thank my friends, Brian and Caitlin, for not only doing this great auto show, but for what they're doing with it in the past and doing it now. And my issue is lymphedema. I was born with it. Age of 9 is when I was diagnosed. And it's accumulation of lymph fluid in the legs. And I'm sure everybody here has at one point seen somebody or knows somebody that has it. And it's been misdiagnosed for many years. So what the proceeds are going to is an organization, it's non-profit, called Ninjas for Fighting Lymphedema. I have little bracelets and little ninja guys over there, but there's a great story on YouTube, and you can check it out. Amy Rivera has the same issue as me, beautiful young lady, has a swollen leg in her right leg, and she got surgery for it. And that's kind of what I'm aiming to get someday, so I can have my skinny legs again. So I just want to thank everybody here for this awesome auto show, and I just hope it helps somebody. If it doesn't help me, it helps somebody else or whatever. It's just a great thing. So just thank you guys, and thanks Kies Motorsports. Awesome. Thank you all, you guys.
What's up, guys? Yeah, first time meeting Justin. It's been honestly a blast. His car is absolutely transformed since he got it a couple months ago, bro. Like, great job on it, honestly. I don't even know. You got a base model, bro, and it looks like a real M Sport. So, crazy stuff, bro. And honestly, it's great meeting you, man. It's been a great time, and honestly, I love the Kies show.
I want to thank Brian for organizing such an amazing event. I mean, look at this compared to what we had 2 years ago. It's just blows the previous show out of the water. And it was so amazing to meet a lot of people who subscribe to not only my channel, but a lot of the YouTubers that you see, Justin and a couple of other guys out there. So it was very humbling to see all those people. It was awesome to kick it with Justin. We're gonna have a little skate session later. I got my skateboard in the trunk. We're gonna play a game of skate, which I'm gonna lose because I know he's a lot better than me. But other than that, yeah, it was awesome. I cannot wait till next year.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is What's Your Forte? Man, this is Justin's channel. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all seen this video. And man, this is a great event, great cause, great people, man. So if you missed it, you gotta make sure you come here next year, man. So make sure you support Brian, make sure you support Justin, and man, matter of fact, subscribe to me too while you're at it, bro. So, hey man, I appreciate it, man. Good job, Justin. Keep up the good work, man. Thanks.
What's up, guys? I'm here with Justin at the Kies Auto Show 2021. Believe it or not, somewhat embarrassing for me to admit this, but this is my first ever car show, car meet ever, and I am super stoked that I came out. We have like over 500 cars here. It's been an awesome day, beautiful weather, terrific location, and tons of amazing cars that I've never seen before in person. Really enjoyed checking out Justin's build. It's come a long way, and it's looking gorgeous. He does have some things planned for it, so keep your eye out. But yeah, hope to see you here next year.
Incredible show, first of all. Amazing turnout. Huge thank you to Brian for throwing it. Very well organized, and blown away by the support of all the people that came out to see me. That's what I gotta say.
Man, you gotta love supporting Brian. I came out from Seattle for this, totally worth it. Check out Kies Motorsports, they're great dudes. Brian's amazing, and Justin's fantastic. He doesn't know me yet, but he's a great dude. Check it out.
I'll let you know when I'm coming over. All right, I can't wait.
I love when Justin films because it's just like,
He's so serious.
you can't see his lens because of his ND filter. It's just, you're just like looking into like a black hole. And humbled me in skateboarding. This is me trying to, this is me. I mean, that kind of counts. Whee!
So I used to watch Justin's videos when he had a 330i, and I had a Corolla at the time. I was getting bullied for having it. It was an XRS, and I was like, it's a sports model. Come on, it's got the Camry engine in it.
Yeah.
You know, back off.
Yeah.
Even my engineering teacher was like bashing on me. Anywho, I hit up Justin. I'm like, bro, I really want a BMW. I tell him, what do you think about a 330i? He's like, that's what I have. You should definitely get it. And I was like, you know what? This is a cool dude. Awesome. He's the only person that encouraged me to get what I want in life. So I was like, you know what? Let me go and get the BMW. And then I started making videos. And then, you know, my first couple of videos were terrible, but lo and behold.
I remember like when you were using like the expanding foam to make the body kit.
I got like Home Depot foam and I was just spraying it on the car and then morphing it. Yeah, I gave up that project after a week or two. It was terrible. But I mean, bro, it's
Dude,
crazy.
you've come so far, like I'm really impressed, and honestly, you inspired me to keep going.
Nice. Really?
So yeah, for sure.
Nice.
Right on, bro.
Nice. I like
It's crazy, bro.
It's
like,
awesome
absolutely
meeting
crazy.
you too, dude.
Yeah, no, likewise, man. I honestly, bro, it's been like 5 years.
Yeah.
We've known each other for like 5-6 years. This is the first time that we, you know, got together. So that's pretty awesome.
That's cool.
Wow, I'm just blown away with how many people came out to the car show. Such an incredible event for a good cause. We raised $26,000 for charity. So huge thank you to Brian and everyone at Kies Motorsports who helped put this together, and thank you to you guys who came out to support and show your cars. It just blows my mind that all of this just started out with a few people making YouTube videos for fun in our driveways, and to see what it's evolved into in just a few years is just crazy to me. So again, thank you guys who came out to the show. If you didn't make it out this year, you got to come next time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.